In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create your account in Option Panel. When you first access the platform, you'll see the sign-in screen. Since you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up here at the bottom of the form. The registration form will open. You can create your account in two ways, using your Google account or entering your email address manually. If you choose the manual option, type your address in the Your Email field. The country field will be pre-filled. Verify that it matches your actual country of residence and correct it if needed. Then, review Option Panel's Terms of Use and Privacy Policy, and if you agree, check the corresponding box. Finally, click Create an Account. Option Panel will then guide you through a four-step registration process. The first step is Personal Info, where you'll select your profile type, individual, non-professional, or organization. Once you've made your selection, click the button to continue. Next, you'll fill in your account details, your full name, email address, country, and phone number. Then, create a secure password and enter it twice to confirm. Review the terms of use and the optional product updates preference, and if you agree, check the corresponding boxes. When all fields are complete, click Next. Confirmation. The third step is Verification Code. Option Panel will send a 6-digit code to the email address you provided. Open your inbox, look for the message from Option Panel with the subject line, verify your email, copy the code, enter it in the 6 individual fields on screen, and click Submit. If you don't receive the email within a few minutes, check your spam or junk mail folder. If the message ended up there, add optionpanel.com to your sender whitelist, so that future messages go straight to your inbox. Once the code is validated, your account will be fully created. From that point on, you can sign into Option Panel at any time using your email address and the password you set during registration.